You gotta push your shit back, nigga. My nigga, fuck my shit. We gonna shoot you more. Get out. I push your shit. It's a little more forward. I don't see what you looking at. What you see? You talk, cause I see your angle is going right here, and that corner for corner is right here. You talking about right here? Right there, yeah. You start first started doing. I saw it. But this already see. Bro, check. You tripping right now? I'm tripping. Yeah, you tripping. I'm tripping. Just chill out, bro. Chill out. Chill out. You don't see my shit right there, my nigga. Bro, your shit was up, bro. This one, bro. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, bro. Bro, I know, bro. Hold on, what you mean? How you tripping? What are you talking about, bro? But why you, bro? I'm like, bro. Guess what? Because you your shit was up. My shit, my nigga. No, bro. I'm doing you, bro. Guess what, bro? Excuse me, bro. Bro, don't worry about it, bro. You go super, bro. You was already this shit already put, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. Bro, you finna get attitude about my shit, bro. You tripping? What you mean, bro? You get attitude about my shit, man. Bro, you wanna beat me getting mad? Yeah, cause it's my shit, it's my hair, man. Bro, you have a good day. And you have a good day, bro. Bro, you tripping. Bro, you finna beat me getting mad about my shit, bro. But you finna be mad because you finna get me mad about my hair. What you going up for, my nigga? You get your chain on, feeling like you ready to pay. You like you going up about my shit. Bro, I told you have a good day. Hey, bro, you finna do me about. Fuck that. Come on, nigga. You gotta push your shit back, nigga. My nigga, fuck my shit. We gonna shoot you more. Get out. I push your shit back, nigga. Push your shit back, nigga. Push your shit back, nigga. Hey, I'm gonna kiss you. You gonna put the wrong nigga. I catch my license, nigga. Pussy ass, nigga. Fuck my motherfucking haircut, nigga. You got a county job, bro. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. Don't never try me again. She was a lead. And I see you get it off. Push your shit back, nigga. You lucky I want to catch my live sentence again, nigga. I'll kill your pussy ass in here. You lucky I'll pussy whoop your pussy ass in here, nigga. About my head, nigga. You blowing up about my shit, nigga. You lucky I don't want to catch live sentence again, nigga. Sit your pussy ass down. Sit your pussy. Push in here, man. Yo. It's kids in here, man. You look like you lucky. You got work up. Nigga, you lucky they got some straight. I'll kill your pussy ass. I'll kill your pussy ass. What, nigga? I'll kill your pussy ass, nigga. Kids in here, man. Nigga, I didn't even think, nigga, I'd come in here and kill your bitch ass. I didn't even think somebody come kill your bitch ass. You lucky I don't want to go back to prison, nigga. You lucky I don't want to go back to prison, nigga. You lucky as fuck. You lucky I don't want to get that last